Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. Hope you are enjoying all the previous videos on engineering drawing and other subjects. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will keep me motivated, and I will be doing many more videos in future too. Now we are going to see the involute construction of an involute. What is an involute? Involute is one where you take a circle, right, and you take a thread tied to it, a thread of like this, and slowly wind this thread around this circle. As you wind, the length of the thread decreases, and slowly in one complete revolution, it will be completely coming in contact with the circle. So the path taken by the thread, end of the thread, is called involute. Let us see how it is constructed. So here we have taken the circle, whatever the circle given, and because we are taking one circumference of this circle, right? A thread which is to be wind on this thread, the length of it should be one circumference of the circle. So take 2 pi r length AB and divide this circle into some number of equal parts. Say 8 here in this case, or 12, 16, up to you. Mark them as 1, 2, 3 in this direction. Starting from this point, mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 8. Now, divide this AB also into the same number of equal parts and mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay. Now, I'm taking at the end of this thread, I'm taking a point P. I want to see how it is, how the path taken by the point P. To get it, we'll do one thing. We'll draw tangents to this circle at all these points, 1, 2, 3, 4. So already we have a diameter line. Draw a perpendicular to this diameter line, automatically it will be tangent to the circle. So like this, you draw tangents to at all these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All the tangents are drawn. Now we started moving the thread P by this end is tied to the cylinder. Now, or the circle here. Now we are moving this point P. What happens? Initially, the thread is AB, this much length. As you go on moving to this point, this 1 comes in contact with this point 1, and only you will be left with 1, 8. The length 1, 8 only. Okay. So initially we start with this point and A as center, right? AP as radius. Slowly draw an arc here. At 1, okay, you'll be moving like this. So 1 as center, 1, 8 as radius. Draw an arc here on the first tangent. Slowly when you are moving, P comes to this position. 2 comes in contact with 2. You will be left with only 2, 8 length of the thread. So at 2, you mark a radius of 2, 8 as radius. From 2, draw an arc here and mark it as P2. Similarly, come to 3. 3, 8 is only left. So at 3, 3, 8 as radius, draw an arc and mark it as P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, like this. Of course, P8 means 8 to 8 already coinciding with the circle. Now, we got all the points here. Join all these, starting from P, join all these points by a smooth freehand curve. You get a curve like this. This is called involute. Okay. So once you get the involute, I want to draw the tangent at some point on the curve, right? So I have taken some point here, okay, some point somewhere, point M. Now join this M with the center of the circle. Okay, we get a line. This line has diameter. Draw a circle here, a semicircle, right? This point has a diameter. That means you take midpoint of this and draw a semicircle on this. This intersects the circle here at some point. Okay, at some point somewhere. Take this point, join this point with M by a straight line. That will be the normal to the curve, and draw a tangent perpendicular to this line. This is normal. Perpendicular to this line, you draw another line perpendicular to this. You get the tangent. So like this, we construct the ellipse and also find the tangent and a normal. Okay. Suppose I want to, instead of taking a circle, I want to take a square. And I want to draw the involute of this square. Now, we take, say this is the square, mark it as ABCD. Now from A, you draw a line which is equal to 4 times the side, that is circumference of this square. Now, this 4 into this side, that is AE, I have marked. Now, I draw perpendicular lines here at all the points, at B, C, D, right? Now, slowly, I'm moving this point E upwards like this. When you come to this point, this is 4 times, isn't it? This is 4 times this side. Now, when you come to this point, this one edge is coinciding with this, and only you will be left with the 3 times. So, when you move this E upwards, right, you will be left with only 3 times. Now, this has the radius. Now, 3 times is left. Now, from here, you draw another arc, another curve, right? A quarter of a circle here, arc of a circle, right? So now from at this point, you will be left with only 2 times the side, right? With the 2 times, this is C and this point as radius, you see a center, you draw another arc, you will be getting this. And you will be left with only one's length, right? One side. So D as center and this as radius, you draw another arc. Like this, you get the involute of a square. Okay. So like this, we can get the involute of any curves. So hope you enjoyed this topic on involute. You had understood this topic, I think. And if you have any queries or doubts or suggestions, please do comment and do subscribe to get alerts. Thank you.